The Smith Machine JM press primarily targets the triceps from a different shoulder angle by following a motion that is between a close grip bench press and skull crusher motion. However, instead of lowering the bar behind your head or towards your chest, you lower it towards your chin. Here's how to do it correctly. Position a flat bench under the Smith machine so the bar lines up with your chin when lying down. Lie flat on the bench with your feet flat on the ground, knees bent. Grip the bar with a narrow, overhand grip, placing your hands about shoulder width apart. Your wrist should be neutral with your forearms directly under your hands. Lift the bar, then twist to remove the safety hooks. Under control, slowly lower the bar towards your chin while keeping your elbows tucked in close to your body. During the lowering, your elbows should move slightly angled forward, not flared out. Once the bar is close to your chin, your forearms should be close to parallel to the floor. Feel the stretch in your triceps at the bottom of the movement, then push the bar upward, focusing on using your triceps to extend your arms and return the bar to the starting position. Keep your elbows slightly bent at the top to maintain tension on the triceps and avoid locking them out. If you're new to this movement, make sure you use a lighter weight to ensure proper form. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.